Is the sound crispy and everything's good? Okay, great. All right. So, for all of you who don't know me, my name is Ahab Mustafa. I'm originally from Egypt, Alexandria, Egypt. I moved here in about 2015 to the USA. I've been an actor for more than 13, 14 years now. Um, a stage actor mainly. I've worked. My journey was a bit of interesting journey because it started where I did not know what was going on. I have no idea of what was going on. I'm very sorry. The my alarm is keep beeping. I hope that doesn't interfere with the quality of the sound. But it just happened once every 5 to 2 minutes, something like that. So what I was saying is that my journey as an actor started from where I had no idea what was going on. I am driven to wanting to be an actor so much, have this so powerful feeling of that is putting me in situation that I'll be feel uncomfortable and I would feel like suffocating, rather suffocating being on stage or in a group where we're going to act now, and that feeling of who is next, and you go like, oh shit, I don't want to be next, let anybody else. And then time pass by and you're not out yet, so you start wondering, what am I doing here? I should be on stage. I need to try out myself. All these kind of questions, all these bizarre questions that comes to a person that love the process of acting, love the art of acting, love that game, love to be there in this fiction, but doesn't have the tools, doesn't know what are the right tools to use them when and where. And that's what I'm doing here. I am trying to put together a course, a series of live sessions where I am going to be helping beginners, actors of any level, of any background, to overcome what are the challenges that an actor would have throughout the process. Because acting is a series of mental, psychological, um, physical, even imagination. That's part of it is mental, but it's a whole series of process of actions that need to be taken in order to come to the best result, because you don't want to just show up and say the few lines that you need to say and everybody will shake your hand cold, and you need to make an impact. And as an actor winner of few awards, and as I was told by so many people in the field from around the world that I'm talented, I'm good. And through some sessions I've done on Clubhouse and other sound apps, I was told, why don't you put together a course to everybody out there? I'm sorry if you could hear my puppy. He's crying. He's stuck out. He wants to be in with me. But anyway, I am here to help everybody, anybody who wants to know about acting, learn about acting. It's gonna be fun. It's not gonna be very like, okay, today we are going to be talking about, and you just listen to me. No, I'm open to questions. I'm open to what exactly are you struggling with in your journey, because actors, there's no one size fit all. Actors come from different backgrounds, come from different um, schools, come from different even their art, the how they process art, how they see art is all different. So it will be open for those who wants to learn, wants to develop, or have just questions that they want to overcome. So hit the link below up there somewhere. Make sure you follow, and let's do it. Let's do it. And acting is fun, man. Acting is fun. It gives you. This is what I think. Acting is fun because it gives you that space from reality. So you are somebody else, somewhere else in this fiction world, and you fully be it. And then when you come back to reality, you go, things are not as hard. Things can be fixed differently. So it's a process, and it's a very it can be very intensely healing process. So I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.